Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your PIN code on the NC Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NC Wallet application on your device. And after entering your PIN code or biometrics, you will be logged in and taken into your wallet page. From here, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Security. Now within the Security tab, you will find the PIN code section. Go ahead and tap on this. And this will ask you to enter your current PIN code. Just type in your PIN code that you currently use to log in or complete your transactions, and then you will be asked to enter your desired new PIN code right away. Just type in your desired PIN code and then type it in once again for confirmation. This will now set up your new PIN code right away, and you will get a notification that your change has become successful. After this, whenever you are prompted to enter a PIN code, you can simply enter this code that you have just set. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your PIN code on the NC Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.